Hey everyone, so in this video I just want to run you through on how you can go and download Unity into your local machine. So right now I want to download it and I'm going to be working on a specific version, so that's why if you are new to Unity you can just go download for Windows, but in my case I want to download other versions because you have an option to download other versions of Unity, especially if you're going to be working in a collaborative environment. It will be something that you will have to consider. So you would see here, if I click on there, you would see it will be redirecting us here, create with Unity in 3 steps. It says here, download the Unity Hub, follow the instruction on screen for guidance through the installation process and setup. Then we can choose our Unity version, install the latest version of Unity, an older release, or a beta featuring the latest in development features. And we also have your start your project, begin creating from scratch, or pick a template to get your first project up and running quickly. Access tutorial videos designed to support creators from beginners to expert. So now let's go and try to download it. And I'm going to download Unity Hub here. Now you would see that we are done. Now let's look at the Unity Hub setup, and let me just go and click agree here, and I'm just going to choose a directory from where I want to install Unity Hub. So let me just pause this. Now I have it at my Drive E game dev program, so depending on where you want to install it, I'm just going to use this customized path to my game dev programs. So let me just install this now, and let's try to run it. Okay, so we're now done. Let's try to go and run Unity Hub. So it's prompting me here. I'm just going to allow access. I think it's running now, and it's showing me welcome to Unity Hub here. So let me just go and sign in. Just make sure you have an account. Create an account in Unity, and then let's go back to this part of the video tutorial. Okay, so now we're logged in. We can see here it says everyday creativity starts here. Welcome to the Unity Hub, your home base to download and manage installations, create and open projects, and discover helpful resources to accelerate productivity. So let's try to go and explore Unity Hub, and we now have an option here to go and install a Unity editor and locate an existing installation. So technically, because this is a new installation of my machine, and I actually just replaced my machine here, so I will need to go and try to reinstall the Unity version that I want to install. So perhaps we can try to skip this installation first. But in your case, if this is the first time that you're going to be installing this and you would want to keep the current version that is specified here, you can go with that. But for me, I want to specifically install a version that will be related to a project that I'm working on previously. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing here right now. I'm just going to be skipping the installation for us to be able to look at the different features here. And we do see here get personal edition license. This will be just telling us to install Unity. You will need an active license. By agreeing to the terms below, Unity Hub will generate a free personal edition license for you. By downloading Unity, I confirm that I am eligible to use Unity Personal or Student Plan per terms of service, as I or my company meet the following criteria. Do not make more than $100K in annual gross revenues regardless of whether Unity Personal is being used for commercial purposes or for an internal project or prototyping. Have not raised funds in excess of 100K, not currently using Unity Plus or Pro plans, and have read and acknowledged Unity's privacy policy. So let's go and try to agree and get personal edition license here. So you would see here, guys, we now have our projects and we have installs if we already have some installations, and there are some tutorials here if you want to look for some tutorials. And we also have the community, the Unity blog, and the other resources here or forums from where you can go and join so that you can try to ask for help. So I think that's it for installing Unity Hub here. So in the next video, perhaps we can try to go and install a specific version of Unity that we can try to add into our list of installs here. You'll see we do have official releases, pre-releases, and you can install a specific version of the Unity editor that you are working on together with the team. So thank you, and let's see each other on the next video.